Yeah, no problem. We have to go for recording. Okay. Recording is start. Oh my God, I think we shouldn't have on the recording, yeah, because YouTube, we can't waste the YouTube time, right? Okay, fine. Right. So shall I start the class man out? Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who else has to come? Jeevit, of course, he will join very late today because we are starting the class at 5 o'clock. He generally comes at 6:45. Okay, fine, good. So today 1.5 hour class, my hereafter it's 1.5 hour class. So that we'll have only 4 days classes. Right. Yeah. Friends, yesterday oh, a lot of gap is there, huh? No. Right, okay. Fine. Friends, yesterday we discussed about how to transform general form to slope intercept form and general form to what is that one next one? Intercept form and general form to normal form under panala. Yes or no? Do you remember that? That means ax plus by like big A ax plus by plus c equal to 0 under the general equation. Okay. Slope intercept under the y equal to mx plus c. So in the equation in the model okay, by equals to minus ax minus c, y equals to minus a by b x minus c by b. Now you compare this y equal to mx plus c ds. And what is the purpose here is that we are expressing our m and c in terms of this is small c and this is big C. This is small c, y is mx plus c. Okay, be careful about this. So mx plus c, right? This one, and I compare these two now. M equal to what now? And c, y intercept is what? So slope is nothing but minus a by b. Okay, and y intercept equal to what ma? Minus c by b. And the c in the equation c ma. Try to understand this, dears. In the y is mx plus c, slope intercept we are writing in terms of a b c. What does this mean, friends? Here now, slope intercept formula m and c இருக்குப்பா. M and y intercept, okay? So m equal to what? And y intercept is what? That is what always all these three forms are expressed in terms of A, B, C, ds. A, B, C. M minus A by B. Y intercept minus C by B. What I think, please? What I think? Both minus A by B, minus C by B. Paranga, please. This is about the slope intercept formula. Next one, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The other one is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Can you write this, ma? Can you write this? And I'll start the next one, pa, please. You just take it, ma, please. Ram has joined. Ram, what happened late? Right here, see, once again I'll tell you for Ram has come. See, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called general form. This is called slope intercept form. So in the general form, write in terms of y is mx plus c. In the model, in the model. Transform general form into slope intercept form. By equals to minus ax and minus c. Y equals to minus a by bx and minus c by b. Compare panuma. M is minus a by b and c, small c is, that's called y intercept. Y, c and y intercept. Y intercept is minus a. This is what I wrote here, yes, panuma. Slope is minus a by b, or whether they give. Can you please tell me, dear here, just for the sake of 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Can anybody say the slope now? M equal to minus a by b ma. A is 2 minus 2, b is 3 pa. That's also simple. Purida ma solludu purida?
Yes, sir.
Please take it, yes. Shall I go for the next one, yes? General form to intercept form. Okay, if you have taken this, I will go for the second one. Are you comfortable with my writing?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right, okay. Right, ma. So I'll just do each one separately, ma. Or whatever, I'll take it, I'll do each one time, okay? So that I write bigger, you will not have any. Next one is called general form to intercept form, yes. General form to intercept form. Friends, here you write general form here, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And intercept form is x by a, y by b equal to 1 mark. Yesterday we have done it, right? So here ax plus by is equal to minus c mark. You want 1 here, so divide with minus c ds. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Preeti, are you able to follow here? Divide with minus c mark, you get a 1 here. And you get ax by minus c plus by minus c part. Then you get x in the a. If you want, if you don't want here, see x alone should be there here, ma. So this a will not come here, ma. Denominator, numerator, denominator, inner denominator, please. Do you agree, ma? Now you just compare this and this, ma. Compare this and this. Now you tell me what is small a? Anybody? Small a means what? X intercept. Minus c by a. What is b or y intercept? B equals to or y intercept equals to anybody?
Minus C by B.
That's all, pa. Yeah, how beautiful it is, right? Last time you got slope as, okay, minus A by B and y-intercept as minus C by B. What a brilliant program. Here by B. Here is difference like C by minus C by minus C. Wow, wow, wow. So you, of course, you should do it. We are not supposed to remember all these things. It's impossible. But there is some pattern is there, my dear. Please try to. If you can think a little bit smarter, you can also map it, right? Please note down, yes. This is for first one. First we have done this one. The second, maybe. Third one is notorious one, yes. Third one is a notorious one. What is the third form? Please, anybody can tell? What is the third form, yes? General form to what form we have to convert?
Normal forms.
That's all, sir. That's all, sir. Normal form. Very good. Normal form. Very, very interesting one. Not general to normal form, yes. Wow. How to do this normal form? Come on. Once again, have you taken Sudarshan? Are you able to follow? Arpit?
Yes, sir.
Welcome, dear. Yeah. Yeah. Shall I rub now normal form? This is going to be a very, very big one of this. So, Krishna. See, every time, friends, here, if we take slope intercept form y equal to mx plus c, m and c must be written in terms of a, b, c. That is the crux of the matter, ma. M and C must be written in terms of big A, big B, big C. This is the story. When you take the second one also, x by A plus y by B equal to 1 and A and B we are writing in terms of A, B, C, D, S. Yes or no? Yes or no, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Friends, here, third one, what is this normal form? Can anybody tell me normal form is what, Ram? Normal form, can anybody say, please? Equation of a normal form. Anybody, general? We have done, right? Normal form. Yeah.
X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P.
P. X cos alpha, brilliant here. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P, or X cos omega plus y sin omega equal to PDS. What is P stands for here, Mohan? Mohan ji? Babu Mohan? You have to tell me, you have to answer. Terlan Soluda.
I don't know.
Don't know. Very good. Okay. Arpit?
The length of the normal, sir.
Length of the normal. What is normal, dear? Anybody can tell? What is normal?
It is a perpendicular line, sir.
Normal is a perpendicular line, perpendicular to the line. Okay, yes, fantastic. Both are lines only. A line perpendicular to another line is called normal. Please. If this is one line, this is another line. If this is my line, this become my normal, dears. Okay, please understand this. Note down this. Note down. In the Mari extra note pannikanam. I don't know how many people are doing it. Anything which is new, you must take note of it now, please. Sudarshan is not there. Okay. It is normal, ma. But our line was like this, ma, please. Our line was like this in the coordinate system. Our line is like this. In the line, I am drawing a normal from the horizon ds, okay? Friends, please follow me. Yes, you need to focus, ma, please, you need to focus. This OM length is called PDS. This OM equal to PDS. Yes or no, pa? OM is equal to PDS. That length on the 5 centimeter, 5 units. That is called, length of the normal. பெரிய விஷயம் கிடையாதுப்பா. பேர் வந்து ஏதோ ஒரு different இருக்கு, but ஆனா it's a length, it's a line only. The length is length of the normal, length of the line segment. Okay, dears. So this this normal is making an alpha with the x-axis. Yes, this is called alpha. Nariya words சொல்றோமா, please follow பண்ணுங்க, listen பண்ணுங்க, please try to make an effort to understand it. It is not a big deal, okay? கொஞ்சம் smarter think பண்ணுங்க, focus பண்ணுங்க, you will definitely get it. புரியலன்னா கேட்கோங்க, I will explain once again. Otherwise, this class is attending the class is going to be mere waste, my dear sir. If you don't show the interest to learn, so I don't think we are doing any good. Right. Friends, so the third one now, so you should write, friends, here earlier, y is mx plus c. I wrote this m and small c in terms of ABC. X by a, y by b is what's called intercept form. A and b, here I should write p and alpha, rather cos alpha and sin alpha in terms of a, b, c, d, s. This is the story. How beautiful it is. There is some pattern. Life itself is having some rhythm. If you miss the rhythm, you are clueless. You will not be resonating. You will not be resonating. If you find a rhythm, you find a pattern, then you will be resonating. Because understand this word, resonating, resonance in so on. Physics lo padichirukkinga, resonance in it. You should be with the team, okay? As a team, how while musician or music composer, when he composed the song, how the entire team will be in resonance. Please understand the resonance or the meaning, please. Such a brilliant one, please. Right. OP equals to MDS, and you need to express this P and alpha in terms of ABCDS. So what I do, dears, now I will write this equation together so that you get some good feel. Okay. So, friends, here I write this equation ax plus by is equal to minus c. In the model, okay. This because there is some number and the RHS. Ide model x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p ma. Friends, are they, see what we are doing is, we are transforming one line into the other. That means they are not different lines, please. Physically, they are only one line. If Ajit is an actor, or Vijay, or whoever, okay, please, one actor is there. In each film, he will be doing a different character, but person is same, correct? Same person, appearing differently. Yes or no, yes? Here also, line is same, line is only line, this line. But I am writing in one style and this is another style. Please understand this, okay? I hope I have given a beautiful example. Somehow I am blessed with it. I am able to get it, okay, on the spot. Ajita, Vijaya, whoever it is, okay, as an actor, or Rajani, whoever. See, it is only same person but different role. So same way here, line is one you could write either like this or like this. That means what? There is only one line. So friends, here, that means these two lines are same, correct, identical, yes. The two lines are identical. Two lines are coincident lines. Please understand this. What is that? What is that? Linear equations in two variables if two lines are coincident lines. What do you say, dears? X and X, A by cos alpha or cos alpha by A, sin alpha by B, and P by minus C. Please try to understand this, dears. P by minus C. Aha. You understand, dears, by what, ma? These two are coincident lines. Yes or no, dears? Able to follow, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, ma, please. Just this one, ma. This by this, ma. X would, ma, please. Cos alpha by A, sin alpha by B, and P by minus C, ma. Right. Friends, I told you already, alpha means what? Sin alpha. So what is cos alpha, dears? What is sin alpha, dears? Am I clear? Am I clear, please?
Yes, sir.
Great. Friends, now we want even P also, ma. P in terms of ABC. ABC, we want ABC, but there is a P here. Please, listen. P and alpha, everybody should be only in terms of ABC. Here, cos alpha. I want ABC, not this P, ma, please. So eliminate P, dears. Eliminate P. How to eliminate P? Sin square alpha square பண்ணுமா இது 1 ன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க இது 2 ன்னு வைங்க 3 ன்னு வைங்க 4 ன்னு வைங்க ஒண்ணும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல. So what is cos square alpha, Google? What is sin square alpha, ma? B square by C square. Yes. Add both of them. What do you get? Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to A square P square by C square and B square P square by C square. All of you clear? Preeti, are you clear, ma? She's having network issues. Okay, fine. What is this? This one, my answer is 1. What is common? Yes, P square is common. Can I cross multiply? I told you we should write P in terms of ABC. Then come on, write it now. P square equals to C square by A square plus B square. So which implies P equal to plus or minus C by root of A square plus B square. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
P equals to plus or minus C by C square square root 1 sigma root of A square plus B square. Do you agree? This is number 1, ma, please. You wanted P in terms of ABC. Now, panga. C by A square plus B square, dears. அதே மாதிரி நீங்க இந்த P பதில் இந்த P பதில் இதுல cos alpha போடுங்க. Okay. Okay. I'll write it, ma. Please note down. You note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Then I will tell the remaining portion. Then I'll go for problem solving. Yes. இது Google கவிக்கு மெசேஜ் போடுப்பா எதுக்கு வரலையோ கொஞ்சம் find out what is the reason.
Okay, sir.
Message போடுப்பா sir is asking what happened while in the class. Maybe she would be thinking that it is 6:30, I think. 6:30 also, it is 6:30, right? No, no. Okay. Yeah, she may come at 6:30, yes, definitely. Is it over, ma? Yes, sir. Okay, Preeti. Right, Preeti. Okay, got it. Right. So P equals to plus or minus C by root of A square plus B squared. Yes. Okay, fantastic derivation. No, I told you very strictly, ma. All cos alpha, sin alpha also must be in terms of ABC. But what is cos alpha here? P இருக்குது அந்த P வந்து நம்ம இதுல ரிமூவ் பண்ணலாம். Over. That's all. Shall I rub it, ma? Over. Anyway,
Yes,
I will write it here. What பண்ண? Cos alpha equals to minus A by C. What is P, ma? P is plus or minus. Oh. அம்மா நான் கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேம்மா, அப்புறம் கால் பண்ணுமா. Right. Minus A by C into plus or minus C by ma. C by, okay? C by root of A square plus B square. புரியுதாப்பா? புரியுதா? P பதில் C by root of plus pharma. C cancelled, yes. So cos alpha is plus or minus into minus is what, ma? Same plus or minus A by root of A square plus B square. Please follow this. If I'm not able to see, I will try to put. Yeah, yes. Are you able to see it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Note பண்ணிக்கோங்க, please. I will, at the end, you will see some beautiful rhythm. I'll give you that. See, the mathematics is wonderful thing, because there is everywhere you find a pattern. Yes, everywhere you find a pattern. Friends, now just look at this. I don't want to rub this. Now, lastly, I will do for sin alpha. Yes. What is sin alpha now? Please tell me. Plus or minus. Sorry, sin alpha is minus BP by C. So P பதில் வந்து நீங்க minus B by C, P பதில் plus or minus C by A square plus B square square root now. So C cancel once again, plus or minus B by root of A square plus B square. Now, can anybody tell what is the observation you are doing, please? What observation you are doing, please? Sudarshan is not there. Right, yes. இப்போ பாருங்க, this is number 1 cos alpha, number 2 sin alpha, number 3 P. What do you observe, ma? Hey, listen here. A by sin alpha plus or minus B by எல்லாமே plus or minus. What is your finding here? A, here B, here is C. Wow. Wow. What is this here? What is this, please? Come on. What a brilliant thing, ma, please. Are you noticed, ma? Have you noticed it?
yes, sir.
All of you observed it, ma, please. Kiripi, I will put into the limelight here. Watch here. What a brilliant one here. See, we are supposed to write P, cos alpha, sin alpha, and P. Here, plus or minus A by A square plus B square square root. Plus or minus B by root of A square plus, क्या बात है यार? Plus or minus C by root of A square plus B square. See this here. See this, yes. This is the easiest one to remember. Remember this. Aha, what a decoration. Paranga, please take it this. So cos alpha, sin alpha, and P, all the three of them, A, wow, B, and C. Yes, what a wonderful observation. Yes, what a wonderful observation. Yes. This is amazing, amazing. Most difficult derivation, but finally we can remember them very, very easily, my dears. But only thing is plus or minus here. But P need not to be. Yeah, P little that also, but P should be what? Ma? Finally, P should be what? Is the positive or negative? Length of the normal. P means what? Length of the normal. Length means what? It is positive number. Length cannot be negative. Whatever. If this comes positive, you take a positive here. If it comes negative, you take a negative here so that it becomes positive here. Purida, solve Purida.
Yes, sir.
Because length cannot be negative ds. ஒருவேளை இது நெகட்டிவ் வந்தா இந்த நம்பர் நெகட்டிவ் வந்தா C is negative வந்தா then take negative here. ஒருவேளை இது பாசிட்டிவ் வந்தா take this as positive, so positive. So P is always positive. You do one question mark, then you will get it. Okay, please, you will get it. I'll do it right away. I'll do it. Friends, you look at 10.3 exercise, ma 10.3 now I'm doing. First I will do third question, ma. Third question is just this only. So I want to impress upon that. Yes. Third question, Paragaraja. All of you look at third question, ma. I hope you all have a textbook. And open the textbook, dear. 10.3. Is it the same book, ma? Book is changed, yes. Yes, pa. Is the book is same or different one? Old book and new book are same or different ones? Can anybody show it, ma? Can anybody show the book?
It is the same blue color book, sir.
Same book. Oh, wonderful. I think you know that, right? Yeah. Wonderful. Nice.
I was last year batch, sir. So last year and this year, I'm not sure if it's the same, but last year it was the same.
Oh, last year was same, but this year, yeah. But let us see. Find out from Mohan. Anybody can show the book, ma? If you have a book, Sudarshan, somebody. Preeti, if you have a book, ma, please open the video. And, one of you can show the book, ma, please. Is it same book or maybe color not the outside cover page? 10.3 is the same questions or not? Just let me check. One of you open 10.3 exercise. And 10th syllabus, I don't notice that any syllabus change has been planned. No, I don't know. Preeti, the syllabus is changed, ma? Same book, old book. சொல்லுங்கடா, யாரோ ஒருத்தர் சொல்லுங்கப்பா, please. புது book, ma, புது book பாருங்க. If anybody has the book, please open the video and show the book. If you don't understand,
sir, I think mostly it will be the same only, sir. They won't change. They'll only like do manipulation of portions, but I don't think they'll change the textbooks.
Correct. Okay. Then I'll proceed with the third question, ma, please. Third question: reduce the following equations to normal form. Reduce the following equation to normal form. Number one, first one. What is that? X minus root 3y plus 8 equal to 0. இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்து நார்மல் ஃபார்மா மாத்துங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க இப்போ. Friends, here x minus root 3 y equal to what? Minus 8. Yes or no? ax plus by is equal to minus c. Correct? The c outside going to become minus c. All of you able to follow? A is what, dear?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
1
1. Brilliant. Come on. B is what?
minus 3.
Minus root 3. And C is what, ma? Minus C is minus 8. So C equal to 8. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, he is a 12th standard boy. He is answering for each and he knows the pain of me. Others are simply keeping quiet. I don't know, when do we get that maturity, please? He is worried about Sir Pavan Yodik strain, he is responding it. Be sensitive, please, little bit sensitive to the teacher also. Teacher also a human being, right? It's an online class. It's not a direct class. You could see, I could see you, I could eye contact, I'll get it. Inga vandu eye contact illa. Adanal than I am just struggling like anything. He is the only one answering it because he knows me very well. Because you all know only 2 years, okay? Maybe part of 9th and 10th, you know it. But this guy knows me 2016 onwards. 2016, when I was in Baidus, he was in the 9th standard, I think. He used to come to my house. He's a mad of mathematics. He's responding without feeling any this thing. He's responding. He's a senior, basically senior boy. But still, he's responding. Namana, I don't know what type of attitude we have, my dears. Please, he is from Chennai. Okay, please understand this. Chennai people generally they don't care. Okay, you don't have that affinity with the teacher. Hey, come on. But rural people should have an affinity to the teacher. But we are different. No, I'm just giving you this. I'm just giving, not that I'm, what to say, denigrating you, please. So it's a very sad, this is an attitude, my dears. I'm putting my life into this thing and asking you each and every step. If you don't follow and understand, who is responsible? Tell me. I am responsible, right? You are not responsible for it. You are the major responsibility. I could easily escape, but I am not that type. I don't wash my hand just like that. Or I can simply write on the board and I can leave. Okay, that's not my attitude. Hundred times you people will never, you don't want change. That's a worrisome, really. Sorry, very sorry. Friends, because there is a square plus b square root the s root of a square plus b square first you find out root of a square is 1 and b square minus root 3 whole square will become 3 ds. So it become root 4 it become 2 only ds. Square root of 4 is only 2, not plus or minus 2. Note this point. So friends, here already there is a plus or minus, right? Plus or minus. A. What is A, dear? A is 1 and this is 2 ma. Wonderful. Right. What about sin alpha, dear? Sin alpha, dear. Sin alpha is plus or minus. What is b ma? B is what? Minus root 3. Minus root 3. by 2. If I take this as plus, this will become 1 by 2. Please understand this. If I take plus here, plus into minus is what? Minus root 3 by 2. Or vice versa, minus root 3 by 2. But, see, friends, here, alpha can be either acute or obtuse, yes. Yes or no, yes? Alpha can be either acute or obtuse. What does it mean? Either it will be in the first quadrant or in the second quadrant. You follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma. Alpha under the angle, yes. The angle can be, because it's after all, it is in the triangle, my friend. It could be acute, or if it is the other way, then it will be obtuse, ma. From the x-axis, yes, okay? From the x-axis. It could be like this. Suppose if I have a, this is the. So friends, whereas if I take a plus here and plus here, this become 1 by 2, and this become plus into minus is minus root 3 by 2, yes. If sign is negative in third and fourth quadrant, yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, friends, you restrict yourself to first and second quadrant, please. First and second quadrant. Therefore, you take this as a minus, this as a minus, then it becomes minus 1 by 2. And you take a minus here, minus into minus, plus 1 by 2, plus root 3 by 2. Now this will work, ma. Sign is positive, ma. Sign is positive. Cos is negative. Which quadrant, yes?
First quadrant, sir.
Second quadrant. Sign
Oh, yeah,
is
sir. Second one. Sorry.
and cos is negative. So it is second quadrant. Anyway, second quadrant means, what is that angle, ma? 1 by 2 means 60 degree. Therefore, it's a pi minus pi by 3, ma. Second quadrant. That's called 2 pi by 3. That is called 120 degree. Yes, 120 degree. Then also you find out P, yes. P equals to plus or minus, what is C, ma? C is 8 by 2, ma. This root of a square plus b square is 2. So this becomes 4. So P equal to 4, ma. That's it. P equals to 4. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, friends, you got it. See, they asked the question, ma, like this. You have to find out P and you have to find out alpha. So what is alpha, yes? Alpha is 120 degree. Please understand, my second quadrant. 1 by 2 and 60 degree. But second quadrant and pi minus 180 minus 60. That is called 120 degree. Yes. Very, very interesting question, my dear. Actually, okay, better பண்ணிருக்கலாம் சொல்றா அதையும் சொல்றேன் இந்த கன்ஃபியூஷன் இருக்கு இல்லையா சார் இது எப்படி சார் நீங்க எனக்கு ரைட் யா இட்ஸ் a confusion சார் ஒரு வாட்டி +1 by 2 இது -2 இது எதுக்கு சார் how do we know that இதெல்லாம் வொர்க் அவுட் ஆகாதுமா ப்ளீஸ் ஓகே வேண்டாம் I will give you a better method வேண்டாமா இது மட்டும் ப்ளீஸ் you please find out 2 இது I will come to P find out பண்ணுங்க ரொம்ப ஈஸியா நம்ம சொல்லலாம் ஓகே வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க I just will do that okay first bar Raja this is the given equation yes you have to find out P and you have to find out alpha ds both you have to find out now please and you know that P equals to root of a square plus b square is 2 ds okay and plus or minus c what is c ds C is 8 by 2 ma. So it's only 4 ma. Plus or minus 4 minus varadu. Yes or no? All of you agree, ma? Please. So P equal to 4. Right. Friends, if P equal to 4, please watch here. Now I'll rub these things, this formula, so that we get a space to write. How to get alpha in the easiest way, ma? Please, Paranga, please. X minus root 3 y is equal to minus 8, ma. This is a given equation here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So we want to convert into what, yes? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, right? But inga vandu P enna vanduma? P equal to what? Yes, 4 vandu. Therefore, can I write this one? X minus root 3 y equal to 4 into minus 2, ma. Now divide with minus 2, you get 4 x by minus 2 minus root 3 y by minus 2. Edhukaga sir indha maari pandringa? Because I want to have a P here. P is what? 4. Over. Now, paranga, minus 1 by 2x plus root 3 by 2y is equal to what? Yes, 4. Now, can I model it? Can I model it into like this, ma? X cos alpha. This is cos alpha. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, dears. Is it P? Who is cos alpha, dears? Who is sin alpha? Who is positive? Who is negative? Sin alpha is positive. Sin alpha is positive. Cos alpha is negative. Sin alpha is positive. Cos alpha is negative in second quadrant. Now you know that sin alpha is root 3 by 2. Second quadrant is nothing but root 3 by 2 on an angle 30 degree, correct? 60 degree, right? Alpha is 60 degree, but second quadrant pi minus pi by 3. That is called 2 pi by 3, dears. Alpha is 2 pi by 3. This is 60. General 60. First quadrant 60. Second quadrant 180 minus 60. Please note down this mark, please. Please note down, yes. Am I clear, pa? Am I explain it well? Is it okay? All of you got it? Google, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Mohan?
Sir, I have a small question,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Arpit, something you said?
Yeah, I have a question, sir. How do you know that you have to take minus 2 to the other side?
Yeah, see, array, come on, dear. What is P, ma? What's P?
I mean,
P is
just
what?
because like C is 4, that's why you're splitting it like that, sir.
Yeah, exactly, sir. P is 4, yeah. Therefore, in the P, right? P, yeah. So P 4, in 4 modeling, ma, that's all. It's just modeling, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
This is original equation, ma. It is a normal form. P and nothing. So P is what? 4, then minus 8 can be written as 4 into minus 2. Now, since there is a P here, I will maintain 4 here and divide with minus 2. Forget. Wow. What a brilliant thing here. Right. Is it clear, ma? Over? So the idea is, see what the question is. I just forgot to tell you what is the question here, please. Question is here, third question. Reduce the following equations to normal form. Find their perpendicular distances from the origin. What is the perpendicular horizon P? And the angle between the perpendicular and positive x. That means you have to find out the P and alpha ds. The P is 4 and alpha is 120 degree. Now, this is the final answer, my dears. Rather, this is the normal form. Okay, P is there. Okay, this is the normal form. Yes, x cos alpha plus I said no, this is normal form. Yes. P is here, right? Able to follow? If you read the third question, you understand what we are supposed to do under it. So third question is that, yes, okay. Next is the first question and the second question follow. You want me to do one more question for this month, third one? Okay, I'll do one more question so that you get a better grip. X minus y equal to 4 mark. The third question. Third row 3 mark. Third subdivision, please. Friends, here, this is called ax plus by is equal to minus cds. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A equal to what, Pa, please? 1. B equal to what, Mohan?
Sir, -1, sir.
Brilliant, sir. C minus C equal to what? 4.
Plus
That
4,
means C equal to -4, B equal to -1, and A equal to 1 ds. Is it right, ma? Now, P equal to what ds? What is the formula for P? Go, tell me, dear.
Plus or minus C by root of A square plus B square.
Amazing, yeah, amazing. Very good. That's it. What is root of A square plus B square, ma? Can you please tell me what is root of A square plus B square? 1 and 1, ma. 1 square is 1 and minus 1 square is also 1. So it's a root 2 ds. Do you agree, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you write it P, which implies P equal to plus or minus C is -4 by root 2, pa, please. Anyway, P is always positive, so forget about this minus. 4 by root 2, that is called, what do you get, ma? 2 root 2. Do you agree? This is called 2 into 2 by root 2, ma.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 2 by root 2 is root 2, ma. So 2 root 2 ds. Okay, clear, ma? P equals to 2 root 2 ds. Okay. If you take this equation here, just like previously, x minus y equal to 4. If I want to have a normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is P, and what is P here? 2 root 2. Same way, x minus y equal to 2 root 2 into root 2. Do you agree? Arpit, clear?
Yes, sir.
Mohan? Ram?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Preeti? Now you are ensuring that P is 2 root 2 minus P in Yerkana, x cos alpha plus y P. So divide with root 2 bar. X by root 2 minus y by root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 bar. So friends, here this is equivalent to what, my x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P ds. Yes or no? Tell me, dears, what is cos alpha now, dears? Anybody? What is cos alpha? 1 by root 2. What is sin alpha? -1 by root 2.
-1 by
Root 2. So, friends, here Sine is negative, cos is positive. Which quadrant, ma?
Fourth quadrant, sir.
Fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant means it is like this, ma. Negative angle, yes. Okay, 1 by root 2 and alpha or angle 45, correct? So that's called minus 45 degrees of this. Fourth quadrant, you can't say bigger angle, okay? 300, 350 and 315 solar minus 45 solar. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, negative angle like they will see, you could answer 2 ways. One is this is called negative angle, this is called 40 minus 45. Illa, sir, sir negative right trial. I will only measure in the anti-clockwise direction, sir. This is called total is what in the start from the 2 pi, right? 360 minus 45. That is called what 315 degrees. So theta is either 315 degree or minus 45 degree. Both answers are correct. Okay, both answers are correct. You can check if you want. You can check the answer what they have given in the book. Fantastic, yes, we are right. Now extra point minus angle சொன்னா 315 சொல்றாங்க please. But it's the absolutely right, please. Okay? But alpha is measured from the positive x-axis. That means what? It is measured in the anti-clockwise. Therefore, don't go for this minus angle. Okay? It should be measured from the positive x-axis means what? Anti-clockwise direction. Not this is a clockwise mean. Venda minus 45. Venda is go for only positive. This positive direction. That is anti-clockwise direction. Yes. Okay, clear, dears? Because they said very clearly alpha is measured in the anti-clockwise direction from the x-axis. So this is the correct mark. This is only PP. This is clockwise mark. But academic sake, we should know this, right? Jeevit has come. Jeevit, today the class was, I told you, forgot, I think he joins very late. He's joining at 7 o'clock, my God. Okay.
Sir, class related.
I know that. So I think we'll make it from only 6:30. As usual, I'll make it 6:30 to 8 o'clock, right? Right, yes. So is it not Parikama, please? Such a beautiful one, Parmadi. If you are okay, you please tell me. I will start with the other problems.
Yes, sir.
Done. So P is 2 root 2 ds. This is number 1 and this is number 2 part. That is theta is 315. In the model level, you need to find out. And this equation is this one. This is a normal form, yes. Number 3. Okay. 1 P 2 alpha or theta. What is that alpha? Okay. Normal form is this one. Is it all right? Is it normal form? Is it normal form? Say x cos 315 minus plus y sin 315 is equal to 2 root 2 pi. If you want, right? What is cos 315? 1 by root 2. What is sin 315? Minus 1 by root 2. Okay, so don't feel bad, okay? Sir, what is this? Normal form and solringa cos sin illiyana idu. Clear, ma? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So it's just not Panapa, just I drink water and come. Right. Next question, ma, please. Shall I repeat? Is it over, ma? Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
So, friend, third question is very, very vital. See that formulas are so beautiful, right? Can anybody tell what is cos alpha here formula? What is the formula for cos alpha? Anybody? One by one. Ram will tell what is cos alpha here.
Sir, a by a root of a square plus b square inside a plus or minus.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant, sir. Thank you very much. Plus or minus a by root of a square plus b square. Amazing, dear. Amazing. Okay, great. Next one. Mohan, what is sin alpha, dear?
Sir, is plus or minus b by square root of a square plus b square, sir.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. Very nice. Very nice. Sudarshan is not there. Okay. Preeti, what is the P, ma? What is P, dear? Yes. Preeti, I think she has a network issue, maybe mic issue. Yeah. So you message it. That's the problem. That's the thing. Right here, right here. No problem. Don't worry. Come on. So what is this, ma? C by root of a square plus b square. See what a beautiful formula, what a beautiful rhythm is there. Actually, to be frank, I am very honest. Okay, my mind is an open book. Okay, please, I tell you like this. Arpit, I want to convey you also. This is the first time I am noticing this thing. I am telling. That's why I am so excited about it. All these years, I have not noticed it. I am telling you this. All these years. Maybe this is my fourth or fifth year I am taking for this one, but I never noticed it, this pattern or this rhythm, this amazing, how to say, pattern. I never noticed. Today only I noticed it. Okay, Arey, come on, kya baat hai? A, B, C, so beautiful, right? Earlier, ஏதோ சும்மா பண்றது derivation பண்றது I was really clueless. I never used to even worry about how to remember also. But if you see it closely, how beautiful it is. Come on, there's no effort required to remember this formula, right? All the three you can remember so easily, my dears. That's why I'm stressing it. I hope everybody got it. So, friends, then also yesterday I have told you two formulae, please. Okay. Two formulae. What are the other two formulae, please? Anybody can tell me, please. First one, the English solunga. First one, you tell me the story of that formula. Anybody? This is the transformation of one general form to slope intercept form and slope. What is that called? Intercept form or normal. That's over. I leave it. How do you What are the two other formulas for yesterday? We have done it, please. Come on. Who will answer this, please? What are those two formulae? I will do the formula here. You please tell me what is this formula is called. Yes, anybody, yes, anybody. What is this formula, yes?
The distance of a point from a line.
Brilliant. Distance at a point. Point. Who is the point here, Arpit?
So the points, any point in the quadrant, right, sir?
Look here, dear. Look here. X1 by 1.
X1.
The distance of a point x1 by 1 from a line. Which is that line, ma? Anybody? Google?
AX plus BX plus C equal to 0.
AX plus BY plus C equal to 0, ma. C. And the X பதில் X1 போடுறோம், Y பதில் Y1 போடுறோம், 0 போடாம இது மட்டும் போடுவாங்க. But X is X1 and Y as Y1 and whole divided by square root of coefficient of X and coefficient of Y. That's called A square plus B square. Oh, amazing. What do you call it, ma? Distance of a point X1, Y1 from a line. Wow. Look at this. In the morning, you should first tell the story and then formula, or formula versus story. Yes, this is very, very important marks. And the explanatory explanation, if you don't give it the formula is dead. You have to give a life to the formula, please. Friends, here x1 y1 is a point and line is ax plus by plus c. இது வந்து numeratorல போடுறோம் by replacing x with x1 and y with y1 and denominatorல வந்து square root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Okay, clear part? Clear? Okay. What is the other formula, Google? Can you tell me what is that?
Distance between two parallel lines.
Brilliant. Distance between the two parallel lines. What is the formula? Can you tell me?
C1 minus C2 by root of 1 plus m square.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant. Either you can make C2 minus C1 or C1 because modulus is there. You have that flexibility. Yes. Distance can never be negative. Whenever distance comes, we write modulus. Please understand that invariably. So what is the D, Emma? D is called distance between, come on, distance between two parallel lines. Two parallel lines. What are the two parallel lines, ma? Come on, who will tell this? Which are the two parallel lines? Yes. Yesterday we have done the derivation of a very, very interesting one. Yes. Y equal to mx plus c1. Y equals to mx plus c2 ds. That's all, yes. Only c1, c2 they differ because the two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, they will differ in a constant. Note down this point, ma. Ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0, ma. This is how we write the parallel lines, not perpendicular. That means what? 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 4x plus 6y equal to 8 something. That's how we wrote the parallel lines, ma. We have to disrupt the A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. That's called parallel lines, my dear. Formula 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is not equal to 5 by 8. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 not equal. Those are the parallel in the model. Or you can write even 2x plus 3y is something different. Doesn't matter. I can write 2x plus 3y is 4. Still these two are parallel. And these two are parallel. These two are parallel. Arey, kya baat hai? Are you able to follow, dears?
Yes, sir.
Right. So these are the two more formulae we have discussed yesterday. So with this, my dears, we have done all concepts. Please, please, you try problems. Okay, you try 10.3. Please, try 10.3. Let us see. Okay, how many of you? Please, you do go through the word examples. Go through the word examples. Make an effort. See, dears, it's not that I doing the problems and you copying it. You say goodbye to that trend, my dears. The concept மட்டுமே என்கிட்ட நீங்க கத்துக்கணும். Problem solving வந்து சொந்தமா நீங்க பண்ணுங்க. புரியலனா go through word examples. அப்போ புரியலனா please tomorrow we will discuss. இல்லனா எனக்கு கூப்பிடுங்க please. Okay, I will tell you. You try yourself. Okay, and also friends, those who want a guide for it. Okay, guide. This is one book I have, okay, 100% NCERT solutions, 100%. The book name is 100%. Easy Marks. One more you can see here, okay, Easy Marks. And the brand is Easy Marks. So please, you can buy this book if you really feel like you want to refer your solutions. It's very good. You can have it. And I have one more book called NCERT Exemplar Problems and Solutions. What a beautiful book it is. It's beyond a textbook now. Different questions are there. Brilliant questions are there. You know what is exemplar, right? All hearts are there. Okay. So my dear, so what I suggest you is that please you work out 10.3 and come out with the doubts. Tomorrow we will do very, very few sums and say goodbye to this exercise. Tomorrow you will not have class, dears. So you will have a time, lot of time. So please work on that, and we will see again on Wednesday, dears. Okay, we'll see on Wednesday. Thank you very much, my dears. And
thank you, sir.
So get ready for Wednesday. Please work out and send me in the group, Send me in the group the solutions, my dears. You have a time, dears. You please honor my words. I am requesting you, please. I am begging you, please. I tell you, please. I fold my hands and request you, please send me the solutions by tomorrow evening, please. I know that you'll have lots of other things to do. I'm telling you, you need not complete the exercise. Whatever is possible. Or 4 question, 5 question. Try pannunga, please. You should make an effort to do the exercise by yourself, please. Okay? Right? I hope you understand my agony and you will do it. Thank you very much, my dears. See you on again Wednesday, same time. Thank you, dear. 6:45. It is tomorrow. Wednesday. It is 6:30 or 6:45. Yes, I'll send you the time also because we have to take care of the Jeevit. So we will change the timing according to his thing. Thank you, dears. Thank you. All the best. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.